In this video, I'm going to be sharing you my scalping session. We're looking at S&P 500 mini futures. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. I'm going to be using pure price action. Right now, I can see that to the left, uptrend played out. We have a brand new downtrend started. We have a spike and a secondary channel present. We have a spike and a channel present. So right now, what I'm looking for is two-leg pullback, second attempt to sell near the exponential moving average to 1-bar EMA, because it's going to be key entry point and I expect new low to be tested. Right, traders, I'm trying to get filled on a second entry short as we talked about. And it looks like we won't get filled here because it completely gapped down, never retraced back. I'm going to still give it a chance because I really like this trade. Clean second entry short combined with the triple test near the EMA. We'll still need new low. I'm going to give it still a chance for retracement, but if it pushes to new low, I'm going to have to cancel the order. Alright traders, we got filled on the retracement. I'm going to go for 10 tick target profit. I really like the trade. It's a clean second entry short at the EMA, two key entry points. The triple test and the EMA, the downtrend needs to get new low. So I waited for deeper retracement. Our limit order got hit. Now we just need a few more ticks. Stop loss has to go one tick above the single bar, or I can basically move it above the initial swing, but I'm gonna keep it here. We're bouncing my zero, but we need to tick through. So this is our first trade for the day. Second entry short combined with the triple test. So I'm gonna mark it second entry short triple test. Downtrend played out with the break new low. So we may not have a big runner here, but anything can happen. There can also be some secondary channel, something like this. So we will see if we can milk the runner or not. Right, traders, I'm going to trail the runner like this. It will give us 8 points. If we keep pushing lower, I'm going to keep moving the runner. I'm thinking about some different channel, something like, let me find something. The trend looks quite structured. So I'm going to keep eyeing some different channels, keep managing the runner. It's actually a decent runner. 8 points is not that bad, and we may actually keep going lower. So I'll pause the video and let you guys know how the runner developed. But this is a spike channel pattern. I followed the trend line rule. Second entry short combined with the triple test. The bar is not the strongest one, but there is no conflicting variables, okay? Downtrend is new low. There's also triple test, which gives you confidence. Uptrend break, attempt to test the new high, EMA held. So everything pretty much aligned. I'm going to trail the runner above each significant swing. All right, traders, our runner got hit at 8.5 points. If the EMA is going to hold, I'm going to draw a wider channel. Alright, I drew the secondary wider channel. It had a bounce here. We had a second entry short, but of course I cannot sell below bull bar far from the EMA. So I'm looking for some additional triple test here, potential double trap or something like that. But I need some stronger bearish reversal bar, or I need some lower high simply below EMA, confirming the fact that we need to get new low. Uptrend now finally played out, breaking new high. One leg break, second leg. So now we're going to see if we can push below EMA and get a lower high. Okay, traders, I was looking for failed second entry long because we have two legs up, uptrend played out, and downtrend needs to get new extreme again. But the problem is, it was a straight doji, not even bearish doji. It had bullish tail at the bottom at that, so I skipped the failed second entry long because it's just straight doji. I needed some stronger bar. It looks like it's going to work. We need new low anyway, but it's a shame there was a weak bar. I don't like this pure doji. I needed something stronger. But I may consider even some additional mini low high if we can get it, because the downtrend still needs new low to be tested. Identify the trend, I respect corrections, and then I simply wait for resumption and the price action pattern to capitalize on this downtrend. Alright, traders, I'm resuming the video. We have mini second entry short, some small double top. The bar closed too far down and it's quite big, so I'm using very deep limit order. We need new lows. I want to have enough room. Okay, we got filled on the second entry short with a deep limit order. It's going quite sideways, so this is not ideal. I'm going to go for 2 points only here because it's quite stacked. But it is a mini second entry short. Downtrend still needs new low. We have two legs up. We had a failed second entry long. Problem is, we're going quite sideways. The momentum may not be there. But for this reason, I'm decreasing the risk using the limit order like this. When the trade is not ideal. This one was better, so I decided to chase this one a little bit more. This one is a little bit more stacked, so I'm applying the deep limit order entry, decreasing the risk, hoping for small scalp. And once again, runner goes to new low if we can make it. We need just a couple more ticks here, but it doesn't look that great for us at the moment. It looks like we're gonna get stopped on this trade, but it's okay. It's a decent trade to consider. Second entry short to test the new low. We might have some last chance here, but it doesn't look that great. It was already supposed to go down. There is some small support, so looks like the correction is going to be a little bit longer before they're going to take it to new extreme. That can happen sometimes. And we got hit. Right here, so I'm gonna try to re-enter on the double trap now, because we still need new low, and we kind of got the felt break out of the congestion, but it looks like I was too slow to enter on the double trap. We still need to get new low. Congestion, we kind of have a leg up. It looks like visual one leg here, second leg here. This is why market needs to correct a little bit stronger, but it looks like it will go without us because the scalp was already reached. So I have to cancel the order now. Right, cheers, resume the video as we have a nice bullish spike in the channel pattern. So I expect new high again following the trend line rule. I expect some second entry long at the EMA. We have a slight overshoot. I can draw a channel a little bit without overshoot, so I'm deciding there is overshoot or not. This spike in the channel is the best though. The break is very broad though. This is generally a good sign. The broader the break is, the more it's negating any wider channel. So it all comes down to the EMA, how well EMA holds, and if I can get some nice setup near the EMA, because this spike in the channel needs new high. Okay, you have a decent visual second entry long. Problem is, this was an inside bar. Had it triggered one tick higher, the bull bar above the previous bar, you can actually use double bar entry. I'm hoping for some high-low little pullback, especially the overshoot. If there wasn't the overshoot, I would probably risk even this inside bar, but given the overshoot, I'm just gonna have to be safe and wait for some high low. Okay, so now we have a new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short failure. So last chance is a failed second entry short. This high low was an inside bar, so I need some stronger bullish bar, preferably trigger lower and then bull bar reversal up. Right, traders, I'm resuming the video as I just entered the failed second entry short triple test. The spike in the channel needs new high. I like the triple test here. Combined with the failed second entry short, small bar, smaller risk, one bounce. Actually quadruple test, 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces. Nice bullish bar, we need new high. The overshoot can come into play and mess things up, but chances are high we need to get the new high eventually. So I'm gonna risk this failed second entry short, although it doesn't look that great. I'm placing my stop loss one tick below this swing because this is just one tick away, and this is the major swing low here. This is the lowest point of the correction. So once there's only one tick difference, I'm gonna keep it below this swing right here. And we got stopped on this failed second entry short. After my 3 trades, I had to leave, so I didn't get to trade the second part of the day. The overshoot generated stronger pullback in the opposite direction, and you're still looking for a failed second entry short. I'm treating this as a failed second entry short even though there's count reset, but it's a bad bar below EMA. If you have some stronger bar above EMA, you can definitely go long on a failed second entry short. I decided to mark this double trap as well as a great trade. This one was a little bit more aggressive, as you can see, quite congested into these lows, but I really like this failed second entry short triple test. This was a great trade to risk. Nothing in trading is 100%, and that's okay. We have to think in probabilities. Then we had downtrend break new low, another downtrend. So now we have some stronger bearish structure, so we can look for some broader channel. You have a second entry short, but it's an inside bar, so you can't really take. And as you get more structured trend, more lower highs and low lows, this is the point where you have to identify some bigger channel. Uptrend played out with the break new high, indicating that bullish correction is over. Failed second entry long is decent. You can see how nicely it's reacting off the trend line. First swing, second swing, third swing confirmation. But you have to use double bar entry, mainly above EMA. So it's not the ideal entry, but it's decent enough. While the push below EMA is confirming the wider downtrend. Count reset new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short of 2 key entry points, followed by another second entry short. Now, I wasn't trading at the time because I had to leave, and I'm not sure if you had the same bars. These bars look really good, so maybe when you're watching this live, the bars are a little bit different, but these are the bars that I'm seeing right now, and these are great second entries. Another second entry short to this new low of the secondary channel while the main downtrend is in play, but the single bar is quite weak, so we can't really take it. 2-legged pullback up, lower high confirmation setup. You can actually consider even the visual second entry short off the trend line. Nice juicy bearish bar, basically 4 big confirmation of this channel. Lower high to confirm it, work for a scalp. You're expecting new low, but market completely reversed, so you can't really argue with the market. You have to adapt. You have 2 second entry longs, but short-term channels are in play. Maybe if the trend is super strong, you can draw a little bit tight like this when you have clear strong uptrend. But we just traded down strongly. It looks too much like one leg down. We have to draw it just a little bit wider. Break new high, and then nothing pretty much happened towards the close. Just choppy price action. nothing much established. So interesting day overall. I haven't had two losing trades in a day for quite a long time. This one, the second entry short that I took, it was on me because it was quite stacked. You're taking more risk, but this felt second entry short. I really like this trade. I would take this trade anytime. That's what trading is about. We take the trade, it either is going to work or won't, on to the next one. We take the trade, it's either going to work or won't, on to the next one. The goal is to keep following the rules and remain disciplined, because even if you take losing trades, you can see you have a lot of good trades to make you back just later on in the session. I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you had a good trading day, and I'm going to talk to you next time. Good luck in your trading.